Apat na lang ang kalawangan natin dito, 61-57.
Advance timeout kabila.
Yes! Spin! That's good. Ang ating rainbow arc. Ay, good. Cortez, nagkapi pa sa ere. Si Mr. Cortez. Next in Noven, 14 shot. And speed for Cortez. Extra pass, getting ready for 2 points again. Cortez. Cortez is drive out.
Much of Team Miracles and Team Prolific, the good open para dito sa players ng Team Miracles. Plug-in, Feraman checks out doon sa kanyang kampe. Let's drive, another pass, extra hand. Para dito sa Team Miracles, another good possession. Yeah, let's get another 2 points right there. 6 points from the double digit. Another time for Cortez. Cortez, hindi mo naman tayo doon. Cortez, found time, basket is good. Sumabay ka. Like it, good.
Huli.
Yeah, what a sign para dito kay Cortez. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Block up, good.